Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your POCO C85. So first, what we want to do is we want to remove the screen protector or case whenever the screen protector is poorly applied or misaligned, and the case whenever those bezels right here are covering the screen. It only happens whenever the dummy phone used is in either bad quality or it's just not one-to-one to the original phone. But it happens rarely, so don't worry about it. Everything should be okay here. We want to clean our screen to remove any debris or moisture, so grab the cloth. Now after grabbing the cloth, let's go over and swipe a couple of times. And now let me leave the app. Next, what we can do is we can update our software to fix any touch glitches. So it's as the final step, we want to go to the settings. Now go to the about phone and click on the HyperOS right here. As you guys can see, it will check automatically if we have an update available. Now if there is, you will see an update available, so click it and click on download update, and in the same place you will have the install update button, so make sure to not leave this section. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.